Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the devices talk. Turn on Hey Siri and confirm microphone permissions, then install the Google app on your iPhone and enable handoff. Once done, raise your wrist and say a clear query phrase. Use short, specific keywords so speech recognition stays accurate. Make sure your iPhone is reachable. The watch often uses the phone to fetch full web results. This method is fastest for quick lookups when you want instant spoken or handed-off results. Once you begin, dictate the exact query you want. Say titles, contact names, or short question words to reduce ambiguity. If a phrase contains punctuation, say the word to insert it. This helps accurate parsing. Pause after compound terms so the watch captures each segment. Make sure to glance at the transcribed text on the watch face. If it misheard something, correct or respeak immediately. Properly phrased queries return tighter, more relevant results instead of broad pages. To finish, tap the handoff icon on your iPhone to view full Google results or listen to Siri's brief summary on the watch. If results are incomplete, retry the query with simpler words or switch to scribble/dictation input on the watch screen. If searches keep failing, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active, then restart both devices. That fixes most connection problems. If problems persist, sign out/in of Google on your iPhone or check microphone hardware for faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.